All right. Keep your eyes peeled. I think we're getting close.
Hey, there's the gas station.
Okay, let's call Ted.
Hey, Teddy, buddy! We just rolled in. Yeah, Sandra's here.
Hi, Ted.
Hey, so you gonna come down and get us or what? Yeah, okay. Okay, give me the directions. Here, wait. All right. Okay, go ahead, I'm right. All right, the Old North Road. And then look for a Dairy Queen. Okay. And then over...
I told the others. They didn't believe me. You're all doomed. You're all doomed.
What? Oh, no, nothing, no. No, go ahead, no. All right. So, all right, covered bridge. Okay. And what? All right, so then past an old cemetery, right? And then left down an old dirt road for half a mile.
Oh, my God! They're towing us!
Oh, shit, Ted, I'll call you back. Hey, wait! Hey!
Stop! Hey!
This is my truck! This is my truck! Asshole! This is my truck!
Welcome to God's country.
Wreck shit!
Thanks, Max. Max owns the gas station. He's crazy, too.
I should have known.
Oh, this is great to see you guys. It's going to be just like old times.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of.
Okay, help me load my gear. We'll split for the camp, okay?
Okay.
What's that? What's the scoop?
Well, I know that guy Paul that's running the course. Yeah, he's okay. He's kind of macho, though, you know. He takes the whole thing very seriously. Senior camp counselor, of course. We'll probably all get a brownie badge to wear if we survive.
If we survive?
That's all right. But didn't I tell you you're going to be a second assistant? Wait, listen. Okay, so there's a bear and a rabbit in the woods, see? And they're both taking a dump. So the bear looks down at the rabbit and says, "Excuse me, Mr. Rabbit, do you have any problem with shit sticking to your fur?" And the rabbit says, "No, Mr. Bear, I don't." So the bear wiped his ass with the rabbit. What the heck is that?
Where'd this sucker come from?
I don't know. Let's move it.
This place is spooky.
Looks like somebody dragged it out here.
Yeah, but what for?
Hey, you guys, look at this.
It's Camp Blood. This place is on the same lake as we're gonna be.
Camp Blood?
Hey, isn't that
Let's
the
get out of
place
here. We're gonna be late.
Can't we take a look?
No way.
What's the problem?
You don't want to hear about it, man. Believe me. Not before lunch.